slowly coming together here. Got most electrical done. I got Mach 3 CNC breakout board all wired up. I got to clean these wires up a little bit, but I got my 4 motor controllers. They all come out here, and I got my drag chain, which needs to be mounted. There's a lid that's going to go on here. That drag chain is here. I just got to mount it to this cross brace. Okay, so the only thing really left to do is right here in this spot there will be a power supply, and then on top of this board, which is right here, so ultimately that's what it will be. I guess this drag chain will sit on top right here, so it'll sit something like that. Okay, and this will be left open for air cooling, unless I have to get it closed in, but then I'll maybe put a piece of plexiglass with a bunch of air holes in it, and maybe mount a fan or something in there. 12 volt fan or 24 volt fan, I guess, and go from there. So then that's looking good. Hopefully this afternoon I'm gonna run it. I just have to put the spindle on there. Okay, so it looking good. Hopefully this afternoon it'll be running.